Okay, boys and girls, let's get started on Math Boxes 5.1. Number 1, a parallelogram has how many pairs of parallel sides? And remember, parallel sides are opposite sides are the same length and they never touch. So a parallelogram would have 2 pairs of parallel sides. All right, so in the next part, they want you to draw a parallelogram, okay? And these would be 2 examples of a parallelogram. If you notice here, these are parallel sides, same size length, opposite of each other, and they never cross. Same here would be 2 parallel, they're across from each other, okay? They never cross, they keep going on, and they're the same length. Right here you have a parallelogram, same thing. You've got 2 pairs of parallel sides. They're never going to cross, and they're the same length. All right, number 2. Okay, what is the perimeter? Okay, remember, perimeter goes around the entire boundary of your rectangle. So we would have 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. Whoops, 6. And 8 plus 6 would equal 14. And that is inches. The area would be your length times your width, or you could count all of these squares inside of your boundary. Okay, and if we took length times width, 4 times 3, and 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 square inches because it is area, and remember, we have to square the area. All right, number 3, you are to share 3 sandwiches equally among 6 people. How much of a sandwich does each person get? So if I have 3 sandwiches, okay, and we know that 3 is half of 6, so I should be able to take those and divide those right in half. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6 people and my 3 sandwiches divided equally. So each person would get 1/2. Okay. Number 4, fill in the blank. You have your rectangle. This is a 3 by 9 foot rectangle. And to find the area here, remember, we do our length times our width, or we add all of those up. Our number sentence would be 3 times 9, and 3 times 9 is 27, and that would be 27. And remember, it's area, so we have to square the area, and that would be square feet. Okay, boys and girls, when you're doing area, remember now our thing, we've talked about it, it is 3 times 9 because it's our length times our width. And number 5, you're to look at problem number 2 and explain how the units used for measuring area are different from the units used for measuring perimeter. Okay, so if we look at problem 2 was the 4 by 3 rectangle, and we had to find the perimeter, which was 14 inches, and the area, which is 12 square inches. And how we find the difference would be the area is everything inside the rectangle, and the perimeter is the distance around the edge of the shape. Okay, perimeter, remember the perimeter goes around and around. We add up all the sides, and then we write our answer down. And the area is everything inside it. Okay, boys and girls, that concludes lesson 5.1.